Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make gochujang chicken wings, and you guys, it is amazingly finger licking delicious. You guys can have this over rice, you guys can have this with veggies, perfect for a big game day, perfect for potluck, perfect for any day meal, whatever your heart's desire. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also make sure to share and subscribe. And if you guys are also ready, let's get cooking. Okay, in a large bowl, I'm gonna add in some cornstarch. And then I'm also going to add in some rice flour. And then you can, of course, instead of using a bowl, you can just, throw them into like a Ziploc bag. I'm just going to use a shallow, large bowl. And then I'm just going to give it a quick whisk to combine. Looks good. In a large bowl with chicken, I'm going to add in some salt. And then along with some black pepper. And with clean hands, I'm just going to go in and just give it a mix, combine everything well. And then I did cut these chicken wings into flats and drumettes, but you can go ahead and just leave them whole too. Okay, this looks good. In a large wok or in a large pot, you want to heat some oil. And then this is the way how I check if my oil is ready. I normally just grab a chopstick and then I'll just put it right into the center. And then as you can see, the bubbles are starting to come up. And if you see bubbles around the edges of the chopsticks, and that's how you know that it's nice and hot. Okay, and then here's my chicken. I'm just gonna grab a piece of drumstick, and then I'm just going to place it into my dry ingredients. Just get it all nice and coated. Remove the excess powder, and then I'm just going to slowly place it in. Slowly drop it in. After 18 minutes of cooking, I'm just going to remove them and place them onto a plate. And then I'm just going to repeat the process. And then you do want to do this small batches at a time. Don't want to overcrowd the pot. And if you have a deep fryer, you could also use it too. But I don't recommend using a air fryer though. Okay, let's make this easy and delicious sauce. Here in a small bowl, I have some melted butter, and I'm going to add in the barbecue sauce. Just gonna dump it all over it. Along with some gochujang, or as you can call it, some Korean hot pepper paste. Okay. And then I'm just going to give it a whisk, combine everything well. This looks good. I transferred the chicken into a large bowl, and then I'm going to add in the sauce. Okay, and then I'm just going to give it a mix, combine. I'm just going to toss it out. Okay, this looks good. Here is the end results of the Gochujang chicken wings. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!